Hi, this is a Prozilla 2.0 video tutorial, how to create a MySQL database. Hopefully you've accessed this through the forum and you've read a little information about security when picking names for a database and for a user. So we're just going to go ahead and show you how that's done. For this tutorial we're using the CPanel X2 theme, so it might not look the same, but the idea is generally the same. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into cPanel, obviously. So you're going to go to your domain name / cPanel and log in. Now, somewhere in the page, which for X2 here, it's about the third row down in the middle, you're going to see a little icon that says MySQL on it. It's got a little blue dolphin on there. Might be pretty small, but he's there somewhere. So it says MySQL databases underneath. So we're going to click on that link, and it's going to take us to the MySQL account maintenance page. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a database, which is done right here. It says current databases, and then underneath it'll say new database. There'll be an empty field and a button that says create database. So we're going to use a Realty website as an example. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter Realty, okay? We're going to hit this button here, and it's going to create the database, okay? It says database created, added the database Realty. So we're going to click back. Okay, and now it's showing us that current databases are template_realty. Now, the reason it's saying template and has an underscore in front of realty is because this is how MySQL actually organizes databases that it has per username. So it knows that if someone's querying the database and they're looking for template_realty, it knows it's for the user template, and it knows it's the database under that user Realty. So that's why we have that, and that's going to be important when we're actually doing our configuration as well for the website. So the next thing we need to do is we need to add a user. So basically we're going to enter username. So let's just say Realty user, okay? And for the password we'll just use cheese1, something that's easy to remember. This is just for demonstration purposes anyway. So we're going to hit this button that says create user, okay? So it says here account created, added Realty user with the password cheese1. Go back. So now this is still empty up here, or sorry, it has a database up here that we need, and this has our current users. Now we need to be able to give permissions for this user to use this database. So basically how we do that is we just scroll down a little bit more, and it says add users to your database. So we're going to select the user we created, which is Realty user, and we're going to add that to database Realty, okay? And we're going to have just the privileges all ticked off, and we're going to say add user to database, okay? So we click that button, and it says account added to access list, added the user template_realty u to the database template_realty. Okay, now you'll see in here it actually cut off the S and R. That's because the actual username was too long, so it's not a big deal, okay? So now we're looking in here and we see current databases. It says template_realty is the database, and then it says users in realty, template_realty u. Okay. So again, we've got the template underscore for the username. That is so that MySQL can understand that this user is for this account and this is the username. Now it does not display the password, but the password we selected is cheese1. The only exception to the username underscore rule in MySQL is the password will not contain this. So if we're going to enter the information into our website, we're going to have database name template_realty, database username template_realty u, password would be cheese1. Okay, so that's pretty much it on to installing websites. Thank you.